Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do daily food hauls, weekly food hauls, TK Maxx hauls, B&M hauls and other hauls from different shops. I also do beauty box unboxings. So if that's the type of thing that you enjoy watching, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. As the title suggests, or as you can see, I am doing an unboxing of the 5th ASOS Beauty Box. I'm going to show you what's in the box. There is a gold play card, the same design as last time. Then lovely lavender lilac coloured tissue paper. And there is the contents of the box. So I will start with the first one and I'll show you everything that's in here. So I've actually seen this before and I've wanted to buy it, so I'm happy. This is in here. It's the Rodial Dragon's Blood Lip Mask. Hydrate and Tone. Moisture Rich Plumping Biocellulose Lip Mask. So I'm looking forward to trying that to see what it does. Nice packaging as well. Second one is a brand that most people will know. I've used Nip & Fab's products before, especially the glycolic pads. Use them a lot. So this is Nip & Fab Fixes No Needle Eye Fix Eye Mask. Targeted eye goggle mask to plump fine lines and wrinkles. I don't really have fine lines and wrinkles, but I'll still try it. Really like the packaging as well. It's the second one where the packaging is nice and it's not a massive item, but then again it's just an eye mask. But never seen any of these sheet masks or eye masks by Nip & Fab before, so I am really looking forward to trying that one. The next item is a Korean face mask. I've tried a few Korean face masks before and they're generally really nice. So this is Honey Firm and Glow Mask Sheet and it's by It's Skin. And then the instructions are on the back. Again, really liking the packaging. I don't know why, I'm really into the packaging today. Then this is another one I've seen a few times and wanted to buy and never bought it. So it's the Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin 2-Step Nose Kit. Bye-bye clogged pores. Yes to keeping your nose clean with charcoal to detoxify and get rid of those nasty clogged pores. Step 1 and step 2. Really intrigued by this, as I've nearly picked this up a few times, so I'm really happy this is in here. And the final one is a tube, and I've never even seen or heard of this brand before. So it's the Formula 10.0.6. Bit of a strange name, and it says Pores Be Pure Skin Clarifying Mud Mask Strawberry and Yarrow. Let me smell that before I read it. It smells like strawberry yoghurt and it looks like a thick strawberry yoghurt as well. So it says the skin refining mask with berry boost goes straight to work on clogged pores. Strawberry and rosemary eliminate impurities, while yarrow clarifies skin for instant complexion perfection. So definitely looking forward to trying that. I like the packaging of that as well. So every mask this month, I really like the look of the packaging. So that's everything in this month's box by ASOS. I'm really happy that they did a face mask box. It's priced at £12 like all the other boxes, and I'm really looking forward to trying these. There will be a matching blog post on my blog on the 20th of March, and I know that's a while off. Hopefully I will have tried some, if not all of these masks by then, so when the post goes live on my blog there will be little reviews on each one as well. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll be back hopefully next month with another ASOS box. If you've not already done so, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye everyone.